Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Today I am going to discuss about the Spyder IDE, and all of you can see the window of the Spyder IDE. This is the interface of the Spyder, and it is divided into three parts. First part is known as the script mode. This second part, that is the console, is known as the interpreter, and this one is known as the help window. This part is also known as the console. इसमें होता क्या है ना कि हम लोग इनपुट और आउटपुट एट ए टाइम हम लोग देख सकते हैं. इसमें एट ए टाइम हम लोग एक ही कमांड्स एंटर कर सकते हैं. सपोज दैट आई एम राइटिंग हियर प्रिंट हेलो and sorry, again typing error is there. Print hello, press enter key. The output will be displayed at the same place, but in the script mode you can write multiple line of commands. Suppose that I am writing print hello, again I am typing print welcome to Spyder IDE. Now what should be done here after typing after writing all the commands? Simply save the file by pressing Ctrl S, or by going to the file menu. There you will get the place from where you can save. A command is there, save as. Now type the name of the commands. Suppose that type the name of the file. Suppose that I am typing I am giving the name demo.py. .py is the extension of the file. Okay, demo.py. .py is the extension of the Python file. And save it. Now you can see the name is also displayed here. Now if I want to run this file, then simply go to this button, run file button, or you can go to the run menu also. From there also you can run. Its shortcut key is F5. From there also you can run it. Now I have run it. Now you can see the result of the file demo.py. Now you can see that I have written two commands there, and the results of those two commands are displayed here. Now clear? In this way we can do more and more programming in the Spyder IDE. It is a very user friendly, and it is quite easy to work on it. Like this, I will publish one more video, and every day I will publish at least one video regarding the Python. Till then, all of you, bye.